morning, everyone. A very warm welcome to you all in today's maths class. My dear students, I hope you all are fine and safe at your places and doing your homework. Yes? Okay. So, in today's class, we will do a revision of addition and subtraction. Okay. Today we will do both addition and subtraction in notebook. So bring out your notebooks. Open your notebooks and write date and day on the notebook first. Today is 29/6/2021 and day is, okay, you tell me what is the day today? Yes, yesterday was, कल कौन सा day था? Monday, very good. And today is Tuesday, good. Tuesday, Tuesday. Done? Okay. First of all, we will do addition. Write the name of topic on page. Addition. Done? Okay. Now note down the sums which ma'am is writing on the board. You have to write same sums on your notebook. 23 plus 12. Okay. Sixty-three plus 56. 72 plus 88. 99 and 12. 49 and 54. Note down किया सबने? So let's start with the first sum. First is 23 plus 12. Now we will start addition from the one side. One side we will do firstly and then the side of tens. Okay. So 3 and 2. How we will do addition? We will keep one digit in mind and second on fingers. Okay. 3, 4, 5. Yes. 3 and 2, 5. 2 and 1. 2 plus 1, 3. So 23 plus 12, 35. Next is 42 plus 20. So here is 0. So we will write 2 here. 4 and 2. Keep 4 in mind and 2 on fingers. 4, 5, 6. 4 and 2, 6. 42 plus 20, 62. 44 plus 28. Again we will keep 4 in mind and 8 on fingers. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 4 and 8, 12. So here we have 2 digits in number 12. 12 में कितने digits है? 2. Okay, so which digit we will write here? Yes, tell me which digit from these 2 we will write here. This is one side. Yes, one side. So from these 2, this is ones and one is tens. So we will write number 2 here. Okay, and 1 here as carry. 4 plus 2. Keep 4 in mind and 2 on fingers. 4, 5, 6. 6 and 1. 7. So 44 plus 28, 72. 62 plus 45. Now keep 2 in mind and 5 on fingers. And tell me what will be the answer? 5 and 2. Yes. Keep 2 in mind and 5 on fingers. Start counting from next number of 2. 2 का next number क्या है? What comes after 2? 3. Then start counting from 3. Yes, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Very good. 2 and 5, 7. Okay, 6 and 4. Keep 6 in mind and 4 on fingers. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 6 and 4, 10. 62 plus 45, 107. Okay, the next is 63 plus 56. Again, we will keep 3 in mind and 6 on fingers. 3 in mind and 6 on fingers. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 3 plus 6, 9. 6 plus 5. Keep 6 in mind and 5 on fingers. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 6 plus 5, 11. 72 plus 88. 2 and 8. We have one more method to do addition. Ma'am have already told you in our previous classes. Remember? By forward counting. Yes? By forward counting. 8 and 2. Now we will keep 8, that is a bigger number, in mind and smaller number. We will speak the forward counting till number 2. 8, 9, 10. 2 numbers forward from 8. 8, 9 and 10. So we will write 0 here and 1 as carry. 7 and 8. Okay, keep 7 in mind. 7 and 8 on fingers. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 7 and 8, 15. 15 and 1, 16. Very good. So 72 plus 88, 160. 99 plus 12. Keep 9 in mind and 2 on fingers. 9, 10, 11. 11. 1 we will write here and 1 on the top. 9 and 1. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. The answer is 111. Next sum is 49 plus 54. 9 plus 4. We will keep 9 in mind and 4 on fingers. In 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13. So we will write 3 here and 1 on the top. 4 plus 5. 4 and 5. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 4 and 5, 9. 9 and 1, 10. Very good. So answer is 103. 49 plus 54, 103. I hope you all are doing the same sums in your notebook now. Yes, doing. Okay, do it fast, quickly. Okay, after then we will do the revision of subtraction. Okay, now open the next page of your notebook. And write the topic subtraction. Again, write the same sums. Ma'am is writing on the board and you have to write in notebook. Tens, ones, 42 minus 12. 38 minus 24. 66 minus 23. 84 minus 19. Again we will write tens ones here. 49 minus 20. 54 minus 38. 62 minus 18. 74 minus 26. Write these 8 sums in your notebooks quickly. Done. Now we will start with this first sum, which is 42 minus 12. Okay, in subtraction, how we will do? We have 2 here. So we will make open 2 fingers and again we have 2. We have to close these 2. Now we have nothing. 2 minus 2. Nothing means 0. Okay, 4 minus 1. So open 4 fingers and close 1 from these 4. 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1. Now we have 1, 2, 3. Only 3. So we will write here number 3. 42 minus 12 is 30. The next is 38 minus 24. 8. Open 8 fingers like this. Now close 4 from these 8. Here we have 4. So we will open 8 fingers and close 4 from these 8. Close in your hand. Close 4 fingers quickly and tell me what is the number you have left. How many fingers you have now? Done? Okay, ma'am is also doing. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 fingers I have closed. Now I have left 1, 2, 3, 4. 8 minus 4, 4. Okay, 3 minus 2. Open 3 fingers and close 2 from these 3. And now I have left only 1. So 38 minus 24 is 14. The next is 66 minus 23. We will open 6 fingers. Open. Yes. Now how many fingers we will close? 3. We have 3 here. Second number is 3. So we will open 6 fingers and close 3 from the 6. 1, 2, 3. Now how many fingers I have left? 1, 2, 3. 6 minus 3, 3. 6 minus 2. Again we'll open 6 fingers and close 2 from this 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we have number 4. 66 minus 23, 43. Okay, 84 minus 19. See here, 4. So we will open 4 fingers and we have to close 9 fingers from this 4. Can we do? Yes. 4 में से 9 हम कट कर सकते हैं? No, because 4 is smaller than 9. So how we will do? Yes, 4 will take one borrow from 8 tens. This is tens and this is only ones. So 8 में से अगर ये 1 borrow लेता है तो this is now 14 and 8 tens is now 7 tens. 14 minus 9. How we will do it now? 9. We will speak the next number of 9, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. कहाँ तक बोलना है हमने? Till 14. In 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. We have number 5 here. See on my hand. Here are 5 fingers open. So we will write number 5 here. 7 minus 1. 7 minus 1, 6. 49 minus 20. 49 minus 20. Here is 0. 0 is nothing. So we will write number 9 here. 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2. 4. And we will close 2 fingers. We have left only 2. 49 minus 20 is 9. 29. 54 minus 38. Again here we have smaller number on the top. So it will take one borrow from this side. Now it is 4 and 14. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. How many fingers are open on my hands? See, count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many are these? 6. Okay, 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3. Only 1. 54 minus 38. 16. Next is 62 minus 18. Again, here we have smaller number on the top. So we will do it like this. 12 minus 8. Okay, we will speak from next number of 8 up to 12. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 9, 10, 11, 12. How many fingers are these now? 1, 2, 3, 4. 12 minus 8, 4. 5 minus 1, 4. 62 minus 18 is 14. Answer is 44. Okay, the next and last is 74 minus 26. Again, we have smaller number on the top and below here, below is bigger number. So again, it will take one borrow from this side. 6 and 14. 6, 14 minus 6. So start counting from the next number of 6. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. How many fingers are these? Count them now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 14 minus 6, 8. 6 minus 2. 6 fingers. Open 6 fingers on your hands and minus 2. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have left only 4. Done? I hope you all understand the addition and subtraction with carry and borrow. Yes, you all have done this. Okay, bye-bye my dear students. Now we will meet in our next class. Bye-bye. Take care.